In this video, we are going to set up the Roku Streambar. Cue the intro. What's happening, beautiful people? My name is Jim and welcome to the channel where we review smart home product devices and discuss family tech that can help make our lives a little bit easier. So if you're interested in videos like that, please consider subscribing and don't forget to click on that notification bell as well. So for today's video, we're just gonna go set up the Roku Streambar, and I heard it's not bad. So we'll check it out. Okay, so as you can see here, I have them sort of laid out, okay? So this here is the actual Roku bar, as you can see, Roku Streambar. So we've got the, from my earlier video, I actually forgot what this is called, but I think this one's called optic fiber. Then we've got the adapter right here, and also a free HDMI. And of course, we have the remote control, and I've already installed the battery as well. So if we look at the back, you'll see that we'll have a few connections right there. So what we're going to use is we're going to use the HDMI because it carries both sound and video as opposed to just the fiber optic here, which only carries sound. Okay, so first things first, we're going to make sure that we've connected the power supply. So I have them here. Let's go ahead and remove this thing. Okay, so there, and then plug it in, plug it in, plug it in. Okay, so now that I've plugged that in, I'm gonna go get the HDMI, which is pretty cool because it has this little thing right there. So that's nice. Okay, so I've connected the HDMI in the Roku bar. Then I'm just gonna connect this to one of my HDMIs here. There. Just gonna probably remove one of these. Okay, let's remove that and put that in. There we go. All right. Okay, so let's see. So now that I've connected both of them, oh, it's blinking. Okay, let's see. I'm gonna turn the TV on. Okay, so there we go. It says pair your remote. So go get the remote, and it just says pair your support in there, and it says that I have to press the button inside. Wait, where? What? Oh, right there. Okay, there is actually, I'm gonna show you. Here, this is the button that you need to press so that the remote will be paired. Let's press that. Press it for 5 seconds. One, there we go. So Roku voice remote pairing. So there is a remote. Okay. Next one is, it says, let's get started. Let's go English. Let's go wireless. Set up new wireless. That's me right there. Password. Password. Connect, and now it's gonna just do the wireless connection thing. Okay, checking both, good to go. And now it's gonna check for new software. Now your Roku Streambar will get the latest software. Okay, it's gonna update that. So we're just gonna go update that. And while waiting for the update, I will actually show you what the remote looks like. So it has the Netflix in there, Disney Plus, which my wife loves, Global for Canadian, Roku channel. And on the side, it has the volume controls. And so volume up, volume down, and mute button there. Is there anything else? Nope, that's it. That's it for that. All right, so now it says updating software, do not turn off TV or disconnect the power. So we'll just leave it at that. Okay, I didn't do anything. It just turned it off automatically. There we go. So let's see if they have, okay, so I can't connect the volume yet, I guess, or control the volume at this time. We'll just have to wait it out a little bit. HDMI free. Here we go. Press OK and Roku will analyze your HDMI connection. All right. Auto detect. Press OK. Okay. There we go. All right. Full HDMI, content, go to automatic. Yeah, so just go automatic. Don't change anything. I want to make it as simple as possible. Yes, it looks good. Okay, it seems like something went wrong. Check that AAC, blah, 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 blah. What happened? Check that CEC and ARC settings on TV are enabled. Plug the card into the TV input labeled HDMI ARC. Then using your TV remote, switch to input that the audio device is plugged into. Oh, my TV doesn't support ARC. You can set up stream on optical. Alright. Okay, so gotta make sure that your TV actually has HDMI ARC, not just a regular HDMI. It looks like I may not have HDMI ARC. Okay. So I'm having difficulties. Success. Did it work? Yay! Okay, so I do have one. All right. So I just changed my, so I had HDMI on one and then I just put it on the other one. So there we go. So now it's successful. If you don't have a Roku account yet, you must register for a Roku account, okay? So in this case, I do have one, so I'm just gonna go and type that in. Or, using my remote, I could actually say it. Let's see if, how do you, oh, here. I, R, E, or I can just type it. Okay, so now what you need to do is you gotta make sure that the link activation. All right, so this is what your linking or activating your device should look like. This is on my phone, so I'm just gonna agree. I'm just gonna leave everything as is. Which room is this located? This is in the living room. Yes. Continue. And what's next? Update when you're done. Expire. Okay, so link your Roku device. So once you've done that, I don't know why, but I actually had to refresh it. So it's just gonna say, yeah, add channels. I don't really want to add any channels right now. But if I'm gonna add a channel, I'm gonna add, nope, I'm just gonna leave it. I'm just gonna do it later. Continue. Okay. And then, so there you go. So once you've completed it here on the phone, this will automatically update itself. So it has about 53 channels. Anyway, that's what it says here. You guys see it? I hope you guys can. I'm just gonna focus this next time, or zoom it in so you guys can see. But this is what it's saying. So now it's gonna add a whole bunch of channels. But ooh, there's an anime channel there. Nice! Roku channel. Now it says all done. Let's see. Roku. Let's turn the volume up. You guys hear that? I'm putting it on max right now. Okay. It's actually pretty loud. And then you're hearing it from my lav mic here. Alright, let's just skip this part here. Okay, skip it. How do we skip this? Really? I have to, or just that. Okay, play. There we go.
Let's get you streaming. Here's a quick tour of your new Roku player. We'll start with your remote. Press home at any time to return to the home screen. Back always returns to the previous screen.
All right, so if you want to follow instructions, I guess you can just go through here. But I already have a Roku, so I kind of know what's going on in here. So here we go. These are my channels, and it actually connected to what I have on my other Roku over on the Nook there. The reason why we bought this is mainly because of Disney Plus for my children, and for me, this one. Yeah, I haven't what do you call this? Registered for it yet, but that's what I'm gonna do. All right, beautiful people, thank you for sticking with me until the end. You are awesome like that. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed yet, please consider subscribing and click on that notification bell as well. So what I will do after 4 weeks, I will do an in-depth review of the Roku Streambar. And once again, I thank you very much. And as always, I will see you in my next one. Bye.